20th of June 2019. Start analysis by first looking at GBP USD. So on this chart, we were actually looking for a sell yesterday. Had a support here. That price was supposed to bounce off to the lower side. That didn't happen. So the price pulled back up. It's currently bouncing off this resistance. So this is still a sell in my opinion, as long as the price does not clearly close beyond this resistance. This is a dynamic resistance. We expect price to proceed to the lower side. So as it is at the moment, we recommend you look for a sell order. If you sold it yesterday but you are stopped, you can still look for a sell even as we speak. Look for a sell now. Have your stop loss above this one, this level here. This is the resistance, but it's better you have a stop loss at least slightly above it. Then you check the same chart from the monthly. We're actually selling on the monthly. This is what we have. We actually have price gone below. Price, we had a support here, price went below, it retraced back slightly and is still below. So this is a sell up to the next level, 1.22366. Those who are trading monthly, you should be looking for a sell position as we speak. Expect more sell positions, and those sells should push price up to this level, 1.22366. Sorry. Move forward. Euro USD here. So Euro USD so far should be a sell, but the price pulled back upwards. Just this is some few days ago, and we are currently around the previous place we're supposed to sell from. So this is still a sell also in my opinion. You're supposed to look for a sell as long as the price remains below 1.13048. we're looking for a sell. The 1 hour, the price is still heading upwards, and this is the correct place to look for a sell from. So this is a very good support, a resistance, broken, a support here, there's a break below, to traced back. So far it has not been able to come back. If it should come back to this level, this is a very good place to look for a sell from. The next pair, USDJPY. So USDJPY is continuing to the lower side. As you can see, the price basically went below a weekly support here. As we mentioned previously, as long as this is true that the price is below this level, we are still looking for a sell. We want the current week scan either to close below 107.942, or it should close above so that we can look for a buy. Either way, we are only waiting for either a close below or a close above so that we can buy it. As it is, if this is true that by the close of this week the price is below 108.94, then this is a sell. So we move forward to our next chart, Brent oil. Brent oil was supposed to head downwards previously, but as you can see, somehow the price is heading to the upper side. So this is a sign that the downtrend we are seeing could possibly be ending. The one we saw from this point, it could possibly be ending because the price is now heading upwards. But the correct place to confirm if that is true is if price can close above this level. This is the highest retracement we've seen so far. So if price can clearly ascend above this level then retrace back, then that means the downtrend we were seeing previously has actually come to an end. So we are supposed to look for a buy, expand that buy to push price up to this level. Also have another level here. So these are the levels. We have this. If price breaks above it, we'll buy it up to the next level. And if price breaks above the next one, we expect that buy to push price even higher up to the next one, 69.300. So we move forward. SP500. SP500 is still actively upwards. This is just in line with what we said yesterday. So as you can see, if you actually took this buy as we mentioned some few days ago, you're supposed to be in money. You're supposed to be in money as we speak. and we still expect price to move up to this level. So whoever bought it here should remain up with that position, expect it to push price up to this level. So as it is at the moment, all the indicators showing us upwards. The ones we have attached to our screen is basically upwards. And then if I'm to add MACD, we are still actively upwards. So I don't recommend somebody should look for a sell on this one. Rather, you should look for buy positions. If you bought it here, remain long with that position up to the top. Remain up to this level. So as it is, the MACD showing us a buy. The indicator which you're having on our screen, this one is also showing us a buy. And from price action, I also see chances that the price may head up. So this is still a buy up to the next level. We move forward. Gold. Yesterday, I actually said that gold was heading towards a weekly resistance. Gold can close above this zone here.